Are you looking for the best hole saw kit in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best hole saw kit that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below. And also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Lenox Tools Hole Saw Kit. Lenox has been one of the most popular names in the hole saw market. It is as if you cannot buy a hole saw without checking out some things from Lenox. They have been manufacturing these kits since forever, and each one is better than the previous. The new Lenox Hole Saw Kits is another amazing addition to those. It contains 26 hole saws ranging from a variety of sizes, from small to large. You name an essential saw size and they contain it. It has been engineered with bi-metal materials that speak for the durability and strength of the tools. It comes in a blue-white container with black-colored tools. The Lenox Hole Saw set is furnished with saw teeth that cut sharply and deeply on any heavy to light material. Call it a plank of wood or steel. The Lenox Hole Saw is doing its job more perfectly than the previous versions whatsoever. T3 technology adds more to its perfection. The speed slots help with the easy binding and ejecting of the saw with the arbor and drills. It is time-preserving and less hassle for the worker. Up next in the 4th place is the Bosch Metal Hole Saw Kit. This one from Bosch is quite controversial among people due to its almost equal number of advantages and disadvantages. It is one of those products that comes in the house with all the fancy features but fails to live up to the expectations, unfortunately, but even after having some frowns. This hole saw kit has its charm, and let me explain to you why. It comes with 25 pieces of hole saws in essential sizes. There are 7 large adapters and 4 small adapters to fit them on the drilling machine during work. All these come in a regular container with a bi-metal material. The Bosch hole saw kit has alternative small and big teeth to provide the highest outcome in cleaning and drilling, respectively. The large teeth help to cut the deepest hole while the small ones clean away any chip on the way. It is also equipped with a quick changing plug that snaps back on the mandrels without causing much delay. The problem with this saw is that it does not do what it promises in most cases. For example, the bi-metal material is supposed to cut through thick metals, but it does not. The packaging system also supports the various sizes of the saws in the compartment. You may get lucky, but this is just an honest heads up. The 3rd product on our list is the Greenlee Carbide Hole Saw Kit. It comes in the fanciest looking toolbox. The 6 PC hole saws with a mandrel and arbor believe in the simpler, the better, although this kit contains way fewer saws than the regular ones. All of these are imperative for any type of cutting. This toolbox is mainly targeted for beginners, but professionals can keep it as an extra. It is made of stainless steel, so no worries about premature rusts or corrosions. The arbor and pilots are replaceable. The carbide teeth ensure the most precise cuts with heavy durability. Generally, the carbide hole cutters are fixed, but this one has made a huge difference in this regard. It cuts deeper holes even within a smaller diameter. The cuts are very much precise with every drill. The tungsten drill can start and stop working at any time according to preference. These types of saws often cause over-drilling, but it is not the case in this one due to the presence of flange stop. The price may seem a bit on the higher side, but nothing good comes out free. Second on our list is the Milwaukee General Hole Saw Kit. If anyone wants to hear about the recurrent brand names for the best hole saw kit, Milwaukee would be one of them. This hole dozer hole saw kit has 13 pieces of hole saws with pilot bits and mandrels. All of the sizes are essential to cut holes on any material from steel to wood. The saws have alternative teeth that are sharp and highly efficient to go through holes. The purpose of such teeth is to cut a precise hole while leaving it clean. Drilling through any material is quite hard due to the dirt it produces afterward. In the case of this one, the wood chips or any other trash will not be bothered. It comes in a well-packaged compartment, so there is no chance of damage before receiving it. The lightweight product can be carried around anywhere you like. Once incorporated in a tool bag, it will not even put on any heavy pressure. The multicolored hole saws are an absolute go-to for electricians who believe in fashion as well. However, Milwaukee has not been able to maintain the quality of this one up to the mark. At least not as much as the previous hole saw kits that used to dominate the market. Although it comes with a promise of stainless steel, the durability does not scream for the claim, unfortunately. Finally, the top product on our list is the Ruko Hole Saw Kit. This kit is from Ruko with 16 pieces of hole saws. It comes with carbide teeth on one side to ensure precision cut. Ruko has been a well-known brand for their hole saws cutting the most precision cuts. They have their manufacturing material to engineer such sturdy saws. The price may shock a lot of people, but no good thing comes in handy. As soon as the product arrives, you will know how good quality material these are. It comes in a plastic compartment to hold everything together. The using process is also easy for such a device. It can cut through anything, from aluminum to steel, although the user has to be a little bit cautious about the drilling speed. Once set, you are all good to go. Ruko has done a great job maintaining such quality for years. Everything you need as an electrician or a plumber, Ruko has incorporated in this hole saw kit, from beginners to professionals. Anyone can get used to such a classic hole saw. It has mixed strength with great quality and value at such ease. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.